Hey skill seeker, welcome to the new video on CapCut. What if I told you that CapCut isn't available everywhere? Some users can't even download it. Why is that? And how can you still access it? Stay tuned because I've got all the answers. If you're into video editing, you've probably heard of CapCut, one of the best free editing apps for Windows, Mac, and mobile. But did you know that CapCut is banned or restricted in some countries, including India, Indonesia, and even on government devices in the US? So in this video, I'll show you how to safely use CapCut in banned regions on desktop, Android, and iPhone. Plus, I'll share some important tips and alternative apps. Let's get started. First, let's understand why CapCut is banned or restricted in some countries. Governments have banned many Chinese apps due to concerns about data privacy and security risks. Apps developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok, were accused of data collection and potential privacy violations. As a result, India banned CapCut entirely, Indonesia restricted access to CapCut's web version, the US banned CapCut on government devices. But don't worry, I'll show you how you can still access and use CapCut safely in these regions. CapCut has a desktop version, but in some countries, you may need a VPN to download it. Here's how. Step 1. Install a VPN. 1. Go to Proton VPN, free plan available. 2. Sign up with your email, no payment required. 3. Download and install the VPN on Windows or Mac. 4. Log in and connect to a Romania or Poland server. Step 2. Download CapCut. 1. Open a web browser and search for CapCut download. 2. Visit the official CapCut website. 3. Download and install the software. 4. Keep your VPN on while installing. Step 3. Start editing. Open CapCut. Click Create Project. Add videos, effects, and transitions. Once installed, CapCut works even without a VPN. But keep the VPN on while downloading new effects. Pro tip. CapCut on desktop has more free effects than the mobile version. For Android users, here's how you can install CapCut. Step 1. Download CapCut APK. 1. Visit apkmirror.com, link in the description. 2. Download the latest CapCut APK bundle. 3. Install APK Mirror installer from the Play Store. 4. Use it to install the APK file. Step 2. Use a VPN. 1. Install Proton VPN. 2. Connect to a Poland or Romania server. 3. Open CapCut and start using all features. Important. Some users report that CapCut won't load video effects without a VPN. If that happens, keep your VPN on while using the app. But remember, using banned apps can violate local regulations, and unofficial sources may expose your device to security threats. If you use an iPhone, I don't recommend installing CapCut this way. Why? Because you'll need to change your App Store country, which cancels your active subscriptions, affects your Apple ecosystem. If you still want to edit videos on iPhone, check out CapCut alternatives. If you don't want to use a VPN or unofficial methods, here are some legal CapCut alternatives in your country. VN Video Editor, great free editor with cool transitions. KineMaster, a feature-rich app with pro-level tools. InShot, simple and perfect for social media videos. Alight Motion, best for animations and motion graphics. All of these apps are available on Play Store and App Store. So that's how you can use CapCut in banned or restricted countries. Whether it's desktop or mobile, make sure to follow the right steps to get the best editing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments which editing app you use. See you in the next one. Happy editing.